Welcome back, my dear students of grade 6th. In the last video, we have start our fourth chapter of history, that is the first city. And in this chapter, we have get some knowledge about the Indus Valley civilization and what is the extent of the Indus Valley civilization. This Indus Valley civilization was dwelt near the Indus River. That is why its name was Indus Valley civilization. This is the Indus River. And we have get about 250 sites that give us the important information about the Indus Valley civilization. The important cities like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, Mehergarh, Pashupati, Garhwala, main cities, sites of that time. And today we will study about the architectural features of the Indus Valley civilization. What is the meaning of architecture feature? आर्किटेक्चर फीचर मीन्स उस समय जो घर बने हुए थे, जब बिल्डिंग्स बनी हुई थी, वो किस स्टाइल से बनी हुई थी, उसके बारे में हम आज जानेंगे. आर्किटेक्चर फीचर्स. व्हाट आर द टाउन प्लानिंग ड्यूरिंग इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन? The Harappa civilization had 12 planned cities. All the cities cut each other at the right angle. Houses were built on both sides of the streets in planned way. Baked bricks were used to construct buildings. It was an advanced urban culture with efficient municipal government. Hygiene and sanitation were also given great importance. Most of the cities of the Indus Valley civilizations were divided into two parts. One part was at higher level, though small in size. It was built on a massive platform of baked bricks. This area was known as the citadel or acropolis, where the royals or the nobles lived. The other part of the city was called Lower Town, where the common people lived. See in this picture the town planning of the Indus Valley civilization. The city was divided into two parts. One is Lower Town and second is the Upper Town, that is also known as Citadel. And this is the view of the Upper Town. Upper Town, that is Citadel, that is located on a माउंट. जो कॉमन लोअर टाउन था, जहाँ पर कॉमन पीपल रहते थे, उससे थोड़ी सी हाइट, माउंट मीन्स थोड़ी सी हाइट, एक प्लेटफॉर्म पर बना हुआ था. एंड दिस पार्ट हैज़ अ मैसिव वॉल. उसके आसपास चारों तरफ एक बहुत ऊंची वॉल थी जो उसे प्रोटेक्ट करती थी फ्लड से. और जहाँ पर कौन रहता था? रॉयल्स पीपल मीन्स जो रूलर्स होते थे, जो रूल करते थे, वो लोग रहते थे. मर्चेंट्स रहते थे. प्रीस्ट जो यानी जो रिच पीपल थे, दे लिव इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द सिटी. एंड द इम्पोर्टेंट स्ट्रक्चर जो थे, जो यहाँ पर सिटी से रिलेटेड, जैसे लाइक पब्लिक बाथ, ग्रैनरीज, टाउन हॉल्स, ऑल वर लोकेटेड इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द सिटी. एंड दिस एरिया वाज द लोअर टाउन. And this was designed in linear pattern. This is the design pattern of the lower town houses. The houses was made on the both side of the street, and these houses were made from the burnt bricks. These are the houses during the Indus Valley civilization. ये जो houses थे, कई बार एक स्टोरी के होते थे या फिर दो स्टोरी, यानी उनके एक हाउस यानी रूम के ऊपर एक और रूम बना होता है. दैट इज़ नोन एज स्टोरीज. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द हाउसेज हैड ए कोर्टयार्ड विद रूम्स अराउंड इट. और जितने भी हाउसेज बने हुए थे, उनके सेंटर में एक कोर्टयार्ड होता था और उसके आसपास बाथरूम, किचन, वेल थे. और वेल सभी घरों में था फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ वाटर। और इस पार्ट में कौन रहता था? मर्चेंट्स, क्राफ्ट पर्सन एंड लेबर। ग्रेट बाथ, it is the important building during Indus Valley civilization. The Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro was a rectangular tank made of baked bricks cemented together. The inner walls were made water-light with a layer of bitumen or tar. Flights or steps from opposite sides led to the bottom of the tank. Changing rooms have also been found around the bath. The important building that we find in the Indus Valley civilization, that is Great Bath or the public bath. It is of the rectangular shape. See in the picture, it is of rectangular shape, and it has stairs on the both sides to go down, and around the Great Bath there were changing room also. Imagine the public bath during that time. It must be look like that, and people mostly use this public bath during the festival, and it looks very beautiful. The great granary. Granary, what is the meaning of granary? Granary is the place to keep the grains like wheat, rice, etc. जहाँ पर हम उनको स्टोर करके रखते हैं उसे हम ग्रैनरी कहते हैं. To the west of the bath, a massive brick platform has been excavated. According to archaeologists, it might have been a granary in Harappa. There were as many as 6 granaries. Near these granaries, there were circular brick platforms meant for threshing grains. Great granary. And granary was used to store the grains like wheat, rice, barley, etc. Drainage. The drainage system of every city was well organized. Each town had a well for people to use. There was a room outside the main construction. The water from this room directly went into the covered drain on the main street. The covered drains were cleaned from time to time. The drainage system of the Indus Valley civilization. This system was well organized as you see in the picture. स्ट्रीट के सेंटर में ड्रेन्स होती थी और हर एक घर में से जो गंदा पानी होता था दैट डायरेक्टली ड्रेन इनटू द स्ट्रीट ड्रेन्स. और जो ड्रेन्स थी उनको स्टोन के साथ कवर किया जाता था और टाइम टू टाइम उनको क्लीन करने के लिए ये स्टोन्स हटाकर सफाई की जाती थी. और सिटी के बिल्कुल बाहर आउटसाइड ऑफ द सिटी एक बड़ा सा पिट बनाया जाता था जहाँ पर पूरी सिटी का गंदा पानी कलेक्ट हो जाता था. आई होप माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स all of you understand about the town planning of the Indus Valley civilization. In the next video we will study about the social life of the Indus Valley civilization people. Thank you for watching the video.